Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Uma, and on this channel I share favorite family recipes, toddler and baby recipes, motherhood and lifestyle tips. So please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. Today I want to share with you our go-to salmon recipe. When we plan weekly menu, we always try to include some seafood, and often it's salmon. As you know, salmon is very good source of protein, omega-3 and vitamin D. But before going to the recipe, let me share a few tips. Tip number 1. Try different types of salmon and stick with your favorite one. My family prefers Atlantic salmon. And try to choose never frozen salmon if you can. Tip number 2. If salmon has skin on it and you won't keep it, line baking tray with parchment paper instead of foil so it won't stick. Tip number 3. If there are scales, you can easily remove them with cheese grater. Tip number 4. If you have large piece of salmon, cut it into portions before baking. Tip number 5. Baking time varies due to the thickness of salmon. So if you're baking on 375 Fahrenheit, it's going to be from 16 to 25 minutes. With this being said, let's dive in. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and stick around. Please let me know in the comments down below how do you like your salmon being cooked, pan-fried or baked. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends, and see you on my next one. Bye!